Hey y'all, it's Nikki. So don't mind the loose setting powder on the bottom. I was just gonna retouch the eyes. This is really helpful for getting rid of any fallout, so just mind your own business. Let me set this here. I just hurried home from work and I could not leave soon enough because you know what today is? IMATS 2019. So anyways, this is my third year going to IMATS on Pro Day, but it's my first time actually going with my own Pro card. So I'm super stoked, totally going by myself. I'm gonna go to all the booths. I feel kind of like an IMATS senior. I decided that I am going to take my phone with me and attempt to vlog. I feel like if I make a video, it'll be really helpful for any makeup artists or enthusiasts out there. The whole point of IMATS for me is just to go and network, meet a lot of different people, meet the faces behind certain brands. Look at those freckles. I did these with Freck. Anyways, it's not great, but it's not bad. In the past, I have definitely looked a lot more crusty for IMATS.
Alright, I got my ticket scanned and I walked right in. I really hate that I am being this person, the one that vlogs at IMATS, but I promised you guys that I would be here and tell you all about everything, so yeah, let's keep going. I'm not a huge MAC fan, but their little setup is actually really, really cute. Is not just limited to makeup and skincare. It is also for beauty tools and for hair products and pretty much everything in between. Like tooth candy. I have been dying to get one of these, but my boyfriend's super just not into it. Sad. I'm over here at Suva Beauty. This is my friend Tati. One of the things I really like about coming to IMATS is also being able to see other artists at work. Right over here at Hourglass, they are having an insane sale. They were giving out 2 of their lipsticks for $20. Found Rude Cosmetics and I am super stoked to be looking through all of their stuff because I'm pretty sure I like borderline harassed them on Instagram. I can't help it. Their products are like really inexpensive and work really great. Here is Rude Cosmetics. I discovered them at Riley Rose and I cannot wait to show you my haul. I'm like so mad at myself. This is the home girl, Kayla. Hey, look, she's also vlogging here. I'll go ahead and give you some links for Kayla. We're trying to match my hair here at Eye Candy Cosmetics.
Would you let me do your brows?
You can, yes, do all of it. I almost wish I had a beard right now because then I'd be like, let's go for the glitter beard. So Jennifer from Eye Candy Cosmetics just like hooked up the brows. All right, it's 7 o'clock, Pro Card Day is done. I'm gonna go home now.
Okay, Pro Card event at IMATS, done. It was a lot of fun. It was a little bit different than the past 2 years that I've gone. There were a couple of brands that weren't there. This year, for instance, we were missing out on Sugar Pill, Kat Von D. I didn't see Lit Cosmetics there either. It was a little weird. But other than that, it was really great. I was super stoked to have met some of the owners of my favorite brands. I met Danny from Lip Gloss Boss, and she is a sweetheart. I'm so happy we connected in person because we had like this cute little Instagram relationship, and it's really nice now to be like, hey, you're the face of this brand. Awesome. God, my boyfriend's probably listening, but I spent like over $300, but that's okay. I'm gonna have another video and we will talk about my haul. Oh, look at this lash. Dang it, IMATS. So I have a burger that's waiting for me because all of this shopping has made me really hungry. So stick around for me to have a lash again and for my next video on my IMATS haul.